Carsjade, where passion meets pavement. Today, we're diving deep into something that's more than just a new pony in the stable. It's the 2026 Ford Mustang FX, the latest evolution of America's most iconic muscle car. The FX doesn't just bring brute force. It brings a refined rebellion, mixing timeless V8 aggression with next-gen tech and surprising practicality. So buckle up, because this isn't your dad's Mustang. From a design standpoint, the FX stands out even among Mustangs. The front fascia is more angular and menacing, with functional aero-enhanced intakes, a new matte black grille, and LED blade headlights that slice through the darkness. Around back, tri-bar taillights get a sharper edge, and the new diffuser with quad exhaust tips completes the performance look. The FX brings an elevated experience. Recaro performance seats, soft-touch materials, and ambient lighting themes make it feel more Euro GT than American Bruiser. Rear seats are usable for short trips, and the trunk offers just enough space for a weekend getaway, or a track day kit. It's not a hatchback, but it's way more practical than you'd expect from something this performance-focused. Step inside the FX and the transformation is complete. This is where retro meets the future. The interior layout is boldly modern, anchored by a massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen running 34A, paired with a slick 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster. It's intuitive, snappy, and finally puts Ford at the forefront of infotainment design. Ford didn't stop there. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and even voice-activated climate control. The tech suite includes Ford Co-Pilot 360, which brings adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring into the Mustang fold. And if you're worried tech would dilute the driving experience, don't. It only enhances it. Let's talk about what really matters in a Mustang: the engine. Under the sculpted hood, the 2026 Mustang FX comes equipped with a 5.0-liter Coyote V8, but Ford's engineers didn't just carry it over. This version is tuned to deliver a fierce 510 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 Mustang ever built. The FX rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, with a spine-tingling exhaust note that pays homage to muscle legends but with a modern edge. The FX also features MagneRide adaptive suspension, giving it an agility that puts it more in line with the BMW M4 than your average boulevard bruiser. Whether you're carving canyon roads or launching down a straightaway, the FX is balanced, tight, and endlessly thrilling. Fuel economy? Well, you're not buying this for efficiency. But Ford manages a respectable 19 mpg city/26 mpg highway when driven reasonably. The 2026 Ford Mustang FX starts around $47,000, depending on trim and optional packages. That's a bargain when you consider it rivals the likes of the Porsche Cayman, BMW M2, and even the Lexus RCF in performance, yet undercuts them by thousands of dollars. For those who want more, a performance package adds Brembo brakes, a track-ready limited slip differential, and lightweight forged wheels. Fully loaded, expect it to top out just under $60,000, still far below what this kind of performance usually costs. And here's the thing, it's not trying to be everything to everyone. It knows exactly what it is: a modern muscle car that can dance with the best of them, commute in comfort, and excite you every time you walk into your garage. In a world increasingly shifting toward electrification and crossovers, the 2026 Ford Mustang FX stands tall as a reminder that driving passion still matters. It blends analog thrills with digital precision in a package that's aggressive yet refined, brutal yet elegant. It's not just a Mustang, it's the next Mustang. And it's coming for everything that thought muscle was dead. If this beast of a Mustang FX stirred your soul like it did ours, make sure you smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to Carsjade for more thrilling reviews, honest rankings, and real enthusiast takes. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your engine screaming.